Dear students, happy morning to one and all. So the lesson we discussed, that is chemical reactions and equations. So in last class we discussed about the chemical equations, how we have to balance that equation. So let's we continue with that session. So now the question we discussed, that is write the word equation below as chemical equations and balance. So they are giving some statement. So in that statement we have to write the word equation first, and we have to write the skeleton equation next, and further we have to balance that equation. Okay, let's see the first question, what it will be. Zinc and lead to nitrate react to form zinc nitrate and lead. So this is the question. So in that, first we have to convert this statement to word equation. Word equation is nothing but we have to write the element or compound name fully with the equation format. So here the zinc and lead 2 nitrate are the reactant. So these zinc and lead 2 nitrate will come in the left hand side, which gives react to form zinc nitrate and lead. Zinc nitrate and lead. So these two names which are comes in the right hand side. So first we have to write this in the word equation form, that is zinc plus lead 2 nitrate. So zinc plus lead 2 nitrate gives zinc nitrate plus lead. So this is the word equation format. We have to convert this statement to word equation first. And further, we have to convert this word equation to skeleton equation. We have to convert them into skeleton equation. So first, what is the reactant here? Zinc and lead 2 nitrate are the reactant. And what is the product here? Zinc nitrate plus lead is the product. So what is the symbol for zinc? The symbol for zinc is what, children? Yes, it's Zn. Zn plus lead 2 nitrate. Actually, lead is having two valency, that is lead 2, that is Pb2 plus or Pb3 plus. So Pb2 plus means plumpous and Pb3 plus means plumbic. So here we can tell it as lead 2 nitrate or plumpous nitrate. Plumpous nitrate. So what is the formula for lead? The lead formula, it will be Pb. What is the valency here? 2 plus. And what is the formula for nitrate? NO3 minus. NO3 minus is the formula for nitrate. So, what is the formula for lead nitrate? PbNO3 twice. Pb, the valency for lead is 2. NO3, nitrate valency is minus 1. So, the lead nitrate formula, it will be PbNO3 twice, which gives zinc nitrate. So what is the formula for zinc, children? Zn. What is the valency for zinc? 2 plus. What is the formula for nitrate? NO3. And what is the valency for nitrate? Minus 1. So the zinc nitrate formula is ZnNO3 twice. Then lead plus lead. What is the formula for lead? Pb. Now we have to balance this equation. So in reactant side, how many zinc number of atoms are there? 1. In product also 1. And lead here also 1. In product also 1. And nitrogen here it will be 2. Here also it will be 2. And oxygen, that is O3 twice means 3 into 2 6. So here 6 oxygen is there. Here also 6 oxygen is there. So the equation is already balanced. Now we can go for the second question. Aluminium bromide and chlorine gas react to form aluminium chloride and bromine gas. So this is the question. First, this is the statement. So in that statement, we have to convert them into word equation first. So word equation, aluminium bromide plus chlorine gas. So these two comes in reactant side, which gives reactive form aluminium chloride and bromine gas. So these two will comes in product side. So aluminium bromide plus chlorine gas. The chlorine is in the which state, children? It is in the gaseous state. So what is the symbol we can use it? Yes, small g. Where the small g it will become? It will become in the subscript. So chlorine gas gives aluminium chloride plus bromine gas. So here also gases is there. So we have to mention small g in the subscript, bromine gas. Now we have to convert this word equation to skeleton equation. So what is the formula for aluminium bromide? What is the formula for aluminium? Al. What is the valency for aluminium? 3 plus. What is the formula for bromide? Br. What is the valency for bromide? Minus 1. So the aluminium bromide formula, it will be AlBr3. AlBr3 plus chlorine. So chlorine is a diatomic molecule. So what is the formula, children? Here it will become Cl2. It is in the gaseous state, which gives aluminium chloride. So aluminium formula is Al. The valency for aluminium is 3 plus. For chloride, the formula is Cl. The valency for chloride is minus 1. So what is the formula for aluminium chloride? AlCl3 plus bromine. So bromine is also diatomic. So what is the formula here? It will come Br2. It is in the gaseous state. So this is the skeleton formula. Now we have to balance this equation. So what it will come? We will see. So aluminium. So here how many number of atoms are here? 1. In product also 1. And Br3. So Br bromide is number of atoms, it will be 3, and here it will be only 2. So if we put 2 here means how many number of atoms it will come? 6. Here 2. So if we put 2 here, means the bromine number of atoms, it will be 6. So here only 2. So what we have to put before Br2 to balance that? 3. We have to put the number 3. So 3 means bromine also, in product it will be 6 and in reactant also it will be 6. And next, aluminum. So aluminum here how much it will be? 2. Here only 1. So we have to put 2 before aluminum chloride. And Cl2, chlorine gas. So how many number of atoms here? 2. But here it will be 6. So we have to put 3 before Cl2. Now we can see aluminum it will be 2. Here also it will be 2. Bromine it will be 6. Here also it will be 6. Chlorine it will be 6. Here also it will be 6. Now the equation is balanced. So 2 molecule of AlBrCr3 plus 3Cl2 which gives 2 molecules of AlCl3, that is aluminum chloride, plus 3 molecules of Br2. So this is the balanced equation. And next we can go for the next question. So what is the question? Sodium phosphate and calcium chloride react to form calcium phosphate and sodium chloride. So here, what is the reactant here? Sodium phosphate and calcium chloride. So these reactant will comes in the right hand side. First we have to convert them into word equation. Sodium phosphate plus calcium chloride gives. So what is the product here? It will be calcium phosphate plus sodium chloride. So this is the product, that is calcium phosphate plus sodium chloride. This is the word equation of this statement. Now we have to convert them into skeleton equation. That is, we have to convert this word equation to skeleton, that is formula. We have to convert them into chemical formula. Sodium. So what is the formula for sodium, children? Na. The valency for sodium it will be how much? Plus 1. What is the formula for phosphate, children? PO4. The valency for phosphate it will be -3. So what is the formula? We have to apply crisscross means. So in sodium, the 3 will come in the subscript. In phosphate, sodium is having +1, so phosphate PO4. So finally, what is the formula for sodium phosphate? Na3PO4. And next is calcium chloride. What is the formula for calcium, children? Ca. What is the valency? 2 plus. And what is the formula for chloride? Cl. What is the valency? -1. So, what is the formula for calcium chloride? CaCl2. CaCl2, which gives calcium phosphate. So, what is the formula for calcium? Ca2 plus phosphate formula it will be PO4. The valency for phosphate is -3. So the calcium phosphate formula will be Ca3PO4 twice. Ca3PO4 twice. And sodium chloride. The sodium chloride formula is NaCl.